Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to access the Yellowstone photo albums, which are pages within a book which you can flip through to give you an idea of how a book may be displayed in the Open Parks network. We are also working on implementing the same viewer the Internet Archive has for more document-focused materials as well. But first, let me show you the Yellowstone photo albums. And there's two ways, well there's really more than two ways to reach this material, but you can go to Explore Parks, which will give you a list of our parks and their landing pages within the Open Parks network. And you can also go to Collections, which lists each collection associated with that park, and parks are listed in alphabetical order. So this is kind of the best of both worlds if you want to see the number and name of collections for each park. Since Yellowstone is at the bottom of the alphabet and we have quite a few collections, I'm going to go back to parks here and scroll down to the bottom till we get to Yellowstone. And this is the landing page for all of the Yellowstone material within the Open Parks network. We only have one collection, the Yellowstone photo albums from this park. If we had multiple collections, this whole row here would be filled up with icons, images that then link to that collection page. So here's our photo albums collection, and you could do a keyword search here that will search across essentially all of the metadata fields that we currently have associated with our records, including titles, descriptions, transcriptions, as well as location data. We customized this page, and we can for others, to highlight material based on metadata within the collection. So here we have bison, geysers, Horace Albright, since there's a lot of photographs of him when he was superintendent. So if you click on any of these pages, this is a single image view, and this is page 129 in album 15. So there's a whole album associated with this page. If you scroll down a little bit further to look at the metadata record, whenever you see this kind of hamburger looking button, it's what they call it, this hyperlink where it says this resource is part of a series, click on that, and that loads all of the other items and images that are associated with that one. So they're a group, and this loads essentially the album view. So this allows you to flip through each image within the album, and again providing high zoom ability and really great images here. But the metadata record for the series is describing all of the images and pages that are associated with album 15, as you can see here below. To get to an individual page, up at the top here in the middle where it says Yellowstone Photo Album 15 page 5, that's a hyperlink to the individual page. So the individual page has a robust metadata record as well as the book itself. And when you scroll down at the bottom here, you can see all the transcription of the captions in the page above, as well as multiple locations that are mentioned in this page as well. So that's essentially how you would get to the sort of the book view.